Welcome back to the Lyric Lounge.
Let's get it, go. Hey, put that on my top. Don't fuck with me, yo, I might just catch your body. Don't fuck with me, yo, I might just catch your body. Get somebody, get these niggas on me. With my homies, let's go catch that body. Get your body, I might get your body. Get your body, I might get your body. Fuck a thotty, dropping is my hobby. Get your body, I might get your body. Search real, it ain't good enough. 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 Pop it off real easy. Late night drive, doing shit you won't believe me. I hit a BG, you talk with me, I'm needy. In the shit that's reeking, still 10 years till I'm peaking, my nigga. So that's why I grind like I'm Bosh. Oh my gosh, with my man, that is stars. On my leans, on my rock beans. Got me fucked up, dreams in a double cup. Brought a pound, cut it up, block back too tight like this up, nigga. Don't fuck with me, yo, I might just catch your body. Don't fuck with me, yo, I might just catch your body. Get somebody, get these niggas on me. With my homies, let's go catch that body. Get your body, I might get your body. Get your body, I might get your body. Fuck a thotty, dropping is my hobby. Get your body, I might get your body. Search real, it ain't good enough. 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 These niggas showing off, I just turn the channel. With no balls, they riding, with no handles. Think they're moving, but these niggas got no fucking pedals. They just pebbles, who's rocking with the devil's peak. Hit you till you leave, Jordans on my feet. Run up like I skate, this they go skate. Smoking blunts while I wait to get my meat. Thought they thinking she a snack, she a freebie. Don't fuck with me, yo, I might just catch your body. Don't fuck with me, yo, I might just catch your body. Get somebody, get these niggas on me. With my homies, let's go catch that body. Get your body, I might get your body. Get your body, I might get your body. Fuck a thotty, dropping is my hobby. Get your body, I might get your body.
Yo, CPT and the world. Welcome back to the Lyric Lounge. You know it's your boy Oasis, and we just watched another performance where it was murked, it was killed, even called the track Catch Your Body. It's my boy Bryant Lyner all the way from LC's, and he's rapping hard. So, bro, I just want to know, like, when did you start making music?
Well, I started like back in 2010, 2011, guy.
2011, was this just like writing, recording?
Nah, like writing at first and then straight recording.
Straight recording.
Found a guy, got a studio and I straight record, guy.
Home studios and just both both from there. And like, when did you decide like you're gonna make this like your career or you're like it's not a hobby anymore? When did you decide to make it a career?
Not like when I went to high school, guy, like straight.
Straight.
Like, I didn't just want to make
So it wasn't like a phase?
No, guy, it was like, I was meant to do this shit.
Oh yeah.
And that's just that boosted up the passion and everything went up from there.
Went up from there, and I feel it, bro. And then what do you think of the vibe of the scene in Cape Town for artists like us today, and R&B and for rappers and all this kind of artists? What do you think could Cape Town is doing for us now?
Nah, guy, it's coming up, like it's for real coming up. Like there's a lot of, in these singing competition shows, it's a lot of Cape Town based people that's winning, and so like the hip hop side of things, there's also dope artists there, and they just need some better platforms, that's all.
Better
that's
platforms.
what it needs. Yeah.
And so then what do you think of this platform?
This is actually a great platform, guy, to get the artists out there.
Helps with exposure and stuff like that. Nah, I feel you there, bro. I feel you. So now, that track you performed, Catch Your Body, was that your own beat or did someone else produce that for you?
It's my producer produced that beat, but I do produce my own beats, most of them.
Your own beats, nice stuff, bro. And do you record by him all the time now?
All the time. But sometimes I record by a studio if I feature or something. But if I got a track, I go to him.
Alright, do you have any videos out on YouTube that we can go check out?
There's some videos, yeah. You can just search Bryant Lyner, like from my old label, you get them there. And yeah, that's all for the videos. But
For the videos.
Yeah.
Nah, I feel you, bro. There's another thing actually, bro. You also part of was the group called Dream Chasers.
Yeah,
the entertainment group.
Yeah.
So when did you join and what made you stick with them and move with this movement?
Like, I started last year when we got together, it just gave a new perspective, man. Like I wasn't the label, didn't work. I learned some things, and to start a new page would be better, man. And the homies are dope, so let's do this.
Let's do this. And like, how many artists besides yourself is still within this group, the Dream Chasers?
They're probably like 4 or 5, but we still growing though, so yeah.
So like, do they only like do rappers, or is it like?
Well, there's rappers, singers, fashion designers, you know, we all.
Okay, so you guys coming through with all aspects of the entertainment game, everything that makes it work, everything.
Yep.
Okay, I feel you, bro. So where can we find your music?
You can find my music on SoundCloud, Bryant Lyner, Audio Mac, Bryant Lyner.
Bryant Lyner.
Yeah.
You heard it for yourself. You can find his music on SoundCloud, on Audio Mac. We'll have those in the description below. So, bro, I want to say once again, thank you for pulling through.
Sure.
I really appreciated having you here. And you killed that shit. I'm gonna watch the performance again.
Yeah.
Watch it again. Just want to say thank you to everyone that's watched the show so far, and I want to say thank you to our sponsors, the library, and Misunderstood for pulling through with some dope ass apparel for us to look delicious all the time. You know. I want to say thank you to the venue as well, Cuts on Q, for letting us do what we do every week, making fire. I want to say thank you to you guys for allowing that. And then I want to say thank you to our visuals, the people behind the scenes. I want to say thank you to dsfootage and Cameraworld for making sure our set is always looking on fire. And then I want to say thank you to everyone. And then I'm out. Bye.